everyone, and welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru. I'm Neena, and today we're diving into the latest developments from the world of commodities, specifically focusing on the recent OPEC Plus decisions and what they mean for the oil market. Just yesterday, May 28th, OPEC Plus, the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies, concluded their 39th ministerial meeting. This gathering brought forth some crucial announcements that are set to shape the future of global oil production and market stability. First off, the alliance has decided to extend its current crude oil production targets all the way through December 31, 2026. This move really signals OPEC Plus's continued commitment to a cautious and coordinated strategy, especially given the ongoing uncertainties in global demand and the ever-present geopolitical tensions we see around the world. It's all about maintaining stability in a volatile market. But they didn't just look at the short term. OPEC Plus also took a significant forward-looking step. They've agreed that the 2025 oil output levels will serve as the benchmark for setting their 2027 production baselines. To make sure these figures are super accurate, the OPEC Secretariat has been tasked with creating a new mechanism to properly assess the maximum sustainable production capacity of all participating countries. These verified capacity numbers will then be the reference points for the 2027 baselines, allowing for a much more precise and calibrated approach to setting future production quotas. This is a smart move to avoid disputes and build market confidence. The Joint Ministerial Monitoring Committee, or JMMC, will continue to play its vital role, overseeing compliance with the Declaration of Cooperation and keeping a close eye on global oil market developments. They'll be meeting every 2 months, with the power to recommend additional ministerial discussions if market conditions demand it. Looking ahead, the next full OPEC Plus ministerial meeting is scheduled for November 30, 2025. But here's something to watch out for. A separate meeting is happening on May 31st, that's tomorrow, involving 8 key member countries. This meeting is expected to deliberate on a proposed output increase for July, reportedly in the range of 411,000 barrels per day. We'll be keeping a very close eye on that. Now let's talk about the market reaction. Oil prices have responded positively to these announcements. As of last night, 10:47 p.m. IST, NYMEX WTI, July 2025 futures were up by $1.15, or almost 1.9%, trading at $62.04 per barrel. Similarly, ICE Brent August 2025 futures saw a rise of 86 cents, or about 1.35%, reaching $64.43 per barrel. These gains really reflect the market's optimism, not just about a potential supply increase, but also about OPEC Plus's ongoing commitment to prudently manage output levels. In summary, OPEC Plus's latest decisions clearly show their strong intention to maintain price stability while simultaneously preparing for medium-term adjustments. By linking their 2027 production quotas to credible and verifiable capacity metrics, the group is aiming to reduce potential conflicts and strengthen overall market confidence. That's all for today's update on the oil market. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Ajayastro Money Guru for more latest updates and advanced analysis on different commodities. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और शोषे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।